Hello guys, today I want to explain to you this trading platform or this game. It's called PoolzWin. So I will show you how you can play this game. Here you can predict the Bitcoin price is going up or down, and after that you place your bet based on your expectation about the price. So let's go and claim our 1,000 coin, 1,000 coins, so we can play in demo account. So let's claim now. After that, okay, so here is the game. It's very so here is the game. In this game you will see two places. The right one, it's where the players guess that the Bitcoin price is going down, and the left one is where the people think that the Bitcoin price is going up. And down there is this, the bet amount. It starts from $1, $3, $5, $10, $15, $25 and $50. So for example, let's see our market. Let's see the Bitcoin price what's doing, and based on that we're gonna place our bet. First of all, we choose the amount that we want to bet. I think I will start with $5. Yes. So I think that Bitcoin price is going up. I will join the pool and wait for it. In here you can see that the price fluctuation, that's okay, so it's go down. So I will start again, but this time I will do my timing right, and I will go in this trade and going up. I will do it again, and this time it's also going up. And we can see no, this time the price is going down. So this is how you're gonna trade in this game. After that I will explain to you this thing. They have a weekly jackpot, so the more you play, the more you're gonna be picked to be in the weekly jackpot. Also there is a monthly jackpot also. The monthly jackpot, here is the monthly jackpot, and this is the price for each jackpot that you're gonna. So the first one gonna take 16,000. The second one gonna take 8,000, and so on. So you can try to trade for real. And here is this is where you're gonna transfer money to your wallet. I think this explanation explains. I think this video explains to you this platform called PoolzWin. And yeah, happy trading and happy game.